There are amazing full-time entertainment positions at luxury resorts, but you need to master this to have a chance. A lot of musicians are incredibly talented, but they're not getting seen because their promo materials don't reflect their ability. They're sending the wrong first impression and getting stuck in the local gig loop. My early promo reels didn't show what managers truly cared about, and my promos were either too short or too long, had the wrong songs, and had no instant appeal. You only have a few seconds to impress the powers that be, not minutes. I spent weeks analysing good promos and bad promos, talking with other musicians and key industry players to determine what worked and what didn't. I created a blueprint from my research and rebuilt my promos from the ground up using it. I emailed several resorts, and within days I heard back from a new resort at the tropics that led to a 4-month contract, followed immediately by another contract in Japan. It totally changed my approach to promo reels. You can keep sending 6-minute videos nobody watches, relying on agencies who never follow through, or you can make a few tweaks using my free blueprint and learn how to present your act the way key industry gatekeepers find genuinely appealing. Imagine performing in stunning venues with a consistent gig schedule, income you can plan around, and a clear path forward. That's the life many musicians are now building, not by getting lucky, but by getting educated and strategic. This process has helped musicians from different countries and genres step into their first international contracts. It could be the most important 12 minutes you spend on your music career this year. To get instant access to the free training, click Learn More.